want to charge any devices at any time and anywhere? ZMI Power Pack number 20 is all you need. Here we are, introducing the most powerful USB-C 210-watt power bank in the world. It has bi-directional PD fast charging ports, one USB-A port with a 100-watt output. Included are two USB-C ports. The three high-speed charging ports supports most devices from Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo. ZMI Power Pack number 20 can charge 15-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pro, medium-sized MacBook, and iPad Pro. It can simultaneously charge three high-power laptops at a rapid speed. This is the power bank that's compatible with all USB devices, including Apple Watch mini camera, GoPro Bluetooth speaker, Hindo Switch headset, and drone. No more worries about low battery and no more nuisances of having to carry bulky charging equipment. With its large power capacity, ZMI Power Pack number 20 can fully meet your daily business travel needs. Only taking 50 minutes to charge 60% of the power supply fully. It has excellent self-charging power. This power supply from ZMI improves charge and discharge efficiency through optimization and a system design that uses Samsung 21700 power cells, allowing it to become the world's fastest. Its battery has low internal resistance, low heat generation, and a high discharge rate, ensuring safety and guaranteed daily usage stability. ZMI Power Pack number 20 can swiftly pass security checks and easily be carried with you on the plane. Rapidly double your MacBook Pro's battery power, and up to 5 times the battery power of the latest smartphones, such as the iPhone 12. The moderate size of this power bank makes it portably convenient. So, if you're on a business trip, traveling, or need to charge more electronic products, ZMI Power Bank number 20 is the most suitable for you.